Join me as I take on the challenge of traveling for a whole week without any stress. Let's see if I can stay comfy on every journey. There's nothing worse than feeling anxious or overwhelmed when you're supposed to be relaxing and having fun on your trip. In today's video, I'll share my ultimate guide to stress-free travel so you can enjoy every moment of your journey and come back feeling refreshed and revitalized. We've all been there, stuck in a long line at security, dealing with lost luggage or flight delays, or struggling to find a decent place to eat at an unfamiliar airport. These common challenges can quickly turn your excitement into frustration and stress. And let's not forget about the packing nightmares, trying to cram everything into your suitcase only to realize you've forgotten something essential. It's enough to make you want to stay at home, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a way to avoid all this stress and anxiety? Traveling can be unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. But with a little planning and preparation, you can minimize the risk of stress and discomfort. First, let's talk about packing. It's amazing how much of a difference it can make when you have the right gear. Invest in a good quality suitcase, packing cubes, and a travel pillow. These little things can make a big difference. Next, think about what you need to stay comfortable during the journey. Do you get cold on planes? Bring a soft blanket or a cozy sweater. Do you have trouble sleeping? Invest in some earplugs or a sleep mask. When it comes to planning, it's all about being prepared for the unexpected. Leave some extra time for check-in and security and research your airport or destination beforehand. Know where you're going and what you need to do when you get there. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's a fellow traveler or an airport staff member, people are generally happy to assist you. By being prepared and having the right mindset, you can turn what could be a stressful situation into a mere inconvenience. But here's the thing. Mindset is everything when it comes to travel. If you go into it with a negative attitude, expecting things to go wrong, they probably will. But if you approach it with an open mind, a sense of humor, and a willingness to adapt, you'll be amazed at how much more enjoyable it can be. So, the next time you're faced with a delay or a long line, try to see the humor in it. Take a deep breath, grab a snack or a drink, and focus on the excitement of your journey. By following these simple tips, you can ensure a much more enjoyable travel experience. You'll be more comfortable, more relaxed, and more able to enjoy the journey. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? So remember, pack smart, plan ahead, and approach it all with a positive mindset. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to stress-free travel. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own travel experiences in the comments below. What are some of your favorite tips for staying comfy on the go? And if you want to see more travel videos, be sure to check out my other content and hit that subscribe button for more.